First step, guys, is you need to moisturize your face first. So I will be using again this Jeju Aloe Eyes from the Face Shop to moisturize my face. Kasi kailangan kapag nag-makeup tayo, and since it's summer at napakainit sa labas, kailangan may moisturizer tayong ginagamit. Or sunscreen if you prefer, para lang hindi maging dry yung skin natin. The moisturizer is done, and let's use this Sassy Lady primer or face primer, guys, para ma-prime yung face natin at maless yung visibility ng mga pores. So, after the moisturizer, pwede rin naman, guys, if you will not use any primer at all. Depende naman yun sa inyo. If yung moisturizer nyo is okay na, or your sunscreen nyo is okay na for your face, that's okay. So, isunod naman natin, guys, yung everyday BB cream. So, hindi ako gagamit ng foundation today. And gagamitin ko tong BBholic Everyday BB Cream. Yung pinakita ko sa inyo, guys, sa last video ko. So, gagamitin ko na siya ngayon. And yung shade niya is beige. And hindi naman, guys, kailangan talaga na naka-foundation ka kapag lalabas. So, nasa sa atin naman, guys, kung gusto mo maglagay or wag na lang gumamit ng foundation. Ang shade ng beige, guys. So, yan. I think okay naman. And gagamit na lang ako ng blending sponge. And itong St. Ives Face Mist para yan, ilagyan tong sponge kasi nakakatulong din siya para maging dewy look yung effect ng product sa face. So, ayan lang, guys. Ganda. Well, itong BB cream kasi ng Eye White Korea, guys, is hindi naman siya full coverage. So, medium to light coverage lang siya. And that's what I like about this product. Kasi na-try ko na siya nung isang araw. And medyo skeptic pa ako kasi yung kulay niya parang medyo maitim. But nung blend ko na is okay lang naman pala. Hindi naman pala siya ganun ka itim sa mukha. And kasi dalawa lang yung shade niya. May light and this is the beige. So, hindi siya heavy sa face, guys. So, mukhang mapapabili ako ng mas malaking version ng Eye White Korea BB Cream. Ito lang. Para lang malighten yung under eye kasi medyo may eye bags na ako. So, there you have it. Now, I will use this cream blusher from Into It. And since wala pa akong nilalagay na powder sa face ko, and maganda tong gamitin, guys, for everyday. Kasi iniiwasan kong gumamit ng mga powdery products na makeup. Kasi yun yung talagang mas mabilis kumapit sa mga face masks. Always use cream blush. So, dito lang, guys, ako maglalagay sa my cheekbones. Ayan. And medyo dito sa may taas. Kasi ito rin lang naman yung nakikita, diba, kapag naka-face mask. So, after this, I will do my eyebrows now. And same pa rin yung eyebrow routine natin. Gagamit pa rin ako ng eyebrow pencil and some brow soap, guys. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo now kung paano ko gagawin yung kilay ko with the brow soap. Okay, so I have my mirror, my Meow mirror, guys. Nakita nyo na to. And some spoolie here para brush yung eyebrows ko. Ayan. And again, gagamitin ko ulit tong Jazz eyebrow pencil ko, which is palapit ng maubos, guys. So, dito lang, again, dito ko na lang sisimulan sa may pinakadulo ng eyebrow. So, as you can see, parang makapal siya tingnan and merong mga lines dito na hindi tama, guys. So, kaganyan, guys, which is yung sa eyebrow tutorial is, hindi kasi sila twin sister, guys. So, hindi nyo talaga mapapantay yung kilay nyo kapag nagkikilay tayo. So, ayun, guys. So, gagamit ako ng buds para linisin yung edge dito. Ayan. At sundan mo lang, guys, yung line ng kilay mo mismo. And dito sa ibaba. So, ganun lang. Ganito na siya, guys. So, magiging define yung line dito sa may kilay. Kasi, guys, kilay is life kapag ganitong mga new normal. Dahil kapag naka-face mask tayo, ang makikita na lang sa face, yung mata and yung kilay. Since yung kilay yung nagbibigay na lang ng expression, di ba maliban sa mata natin dahil hindi na nakikita yung lips natin kapag ngumingiti. So, kailangan or importante na maayos yung kilay natin kapag lalabas, guys. So, next is the eyebrow soap and gagamitin ko na rin, guys, yung nabili ko sa Miniso, which is the facial soap na clear, pero mukhang hindi nga siya ganun ka-clear, guys. And ito pa rin eyebrow brush or spulit kung tama ako kasi dalawa siya. And I've got this from Shawil Makeup. Ito yung ginagamit ko para dito sa brow soap. Ang gagawin lang natin, guys, is kukuha ko ulit nitong face mist and babasain natin tong soap, guys. So, konti lang. Dalawang spray lang yan. And ito, gaganito ko lang. Okay, so after that, ibabrush ko to upward para mas maging define yung brows and makita yung mga strands ng hair. Para yung bushy brow effect at full brow effect. So, ito na yung giging itsura niya, guys. Eyeshadow, I will be using this Into It Sheer Shimmer Blush. So, actually, this is a big blush. And, pwede pa rin naman gamitin to, guys, for eyeshadow. Brush. Ipapat lang ako. And, this shade is the SB number 10 Sakura Pearl. And, may pagka-rose gold kasi yung look niya. Ito yung shade niya, guys. Medyo hindi nakikita, pero very shimmery siya. So, that's what I like about this blush. Kasi, pagka ilalagay mo siya sa eyelids mo is parang napaka-brighten or nababrighten nyo yung eyes mo pag ganun. Alright, guys, so as you can see, medyo hindi siya noticeable, guys, dito sa ilaw kasi nakatutok talaga sa akin. But, on actual, nakikita naman siya and nag-shimmer talaga yung eyelids ko. But, dadagdagan ko pa para mas makita sa camera. So, here we go. Just to make it look more defined guys, dito sa eyelids is, gamitan ko na lang ng ganito guys. And kukuha ko dito sa my BLK Contour Blush Highlight Palette. And gagamitin ko yung contour powder niya guys para ilagay dito. So, it's done and this is the simple eyeshadow look na pwede nyo talagang gawin at super dali lang guys. So, ayan. So, hindi pa tatapos guys. Bibigyan ko pa kayo ng tips kung paano mapapa-brighten yung mata natin. Using this flat brush and this shimmer guys, ilalagay ko to sa ibaba ng aking mata just to brighten it up. So, next is, I will be contouring my face. Pero dito na lang guys sa may noo and then dito sa may nose. Since hindi naman na makikita guys yung dito sa area na to. Kaya, you don't have to put a contour powder or mag-contour ng face dun sa area na yun. So, again, this is flat brush and dito lang sa may nose area. Okay, so next is the mascara. As you can see, ito na yung eyeshadow, guys. Hindi na ako naglagay ng eyeliner and everything or anything, guys, dito sa may mata ko. Para lang, ayan, pas natural lang siyang tingnan. You can achieve that natural, no makeup look kahit naka-makeup tayo, guys. So, mag-mascara na tayo. And here you go again. I will be using this Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. One, two, three, go. Alright guys, so for the lip products naman na pwede nyo gamitin for your new normal makeup look is marirecommend kong gumamit kayo ng mga ganitong product guys, like this Super Stay Matte Ink Lipstick kasi it's transfer proof at sobrang tagal niya rin nag-i-stay sa lips nyo, and recommend ko rin sa inyo na gumamit kayo ng mga lip tint products, and one example is this the Light Tony Moly Tint Lip Tint. But for me kasi guys, hindi talaga ako masyado gumagamit ng lip tint since hindi siya bagay sa lips ko dahil maitim yung lips ko guys. So hindi ko marirecommend na gumamit kayo ng mga lip products na yung normal na lipstick yung naka-tube, kasi yung talaga yung mga nagta-transfer at mabilis matanggal kapag naka-face mask tayo. And also recommend this Sunny's Face Air Blush Cheek Tint na ginagamit ko rin naman for the lips, at hindi rin to guys mabilis matanggal. Like the normal lip tints is same yung effect nila, so pwede kayong gumamit ng ganitong mga products para sa lips. Alright guys, so for my lips, I will be using this lip puff from Unicorn Dreams, and it's in the shade of Trendsetters. So nabili ko to guys sa Shopee, and the brand is the Unicorn Dreams guys. So this is a powder matte lip cream. Yung gusto ko guys dito sa lip product na to is hindi siya nagta-transfer and very light lang yung formula niya guys. So unlike the Super Stay Matte Ink, medyo sticky pa siya pagka nilalagay mo sa lips. But itong product na to guys, hindi. Proof test natin yung lipstick guys. So ganito siya. Kasi very safe talaga siyang gamitin guys kapag magsusuot tayo ng face mask and everything. So there you have it. there you have it guys, my new normal makeup look. I hope that you enjoyed this video at may mga nakuha rin kayo tips at mga tricks guys para may dagdag nyo sa makeup routine nyo ngayong new normal season natin. And by the way guys, I just want to give a special shout out to Miss K. Gabrielle, and you can search her on YouTube kasi meron din siyang YouTube channel. So if you like, you can subscribe her and check out her vlogs. And to Miss Rush Lazatin, hello guys! Ayan, hello to the both of you and thank you for the support na binibigay nyo sa The J Diaries Vlogs. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para lagi kang ma-notify sa aking mga future uploads. And let's be friends on my other social media account. Just look for Elazaliana21 on Instagram and The J Diaries on Facebook page. So there you have it guys. Once again, this is J Diaries. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye!